Hi everyone, my name's John and this is the Ice Pure under-the-counter water filtration system. Now this will remove, it says it removes 99.99% of chlorine, bad taste, odor, contaminants. It also filters out sediment and other large particles while leaving in the essential minerals which are vital to your health, which is really, really great. That's what you want. Now, this is a high capacity filter. It'll run for 22,000 gallons you can run through this. Let's open it up. All right. Okay, here is the water filter system right here. That's the actual filter itself. Right there, you can see that there's two places to mount it on the back here. And then you have your filter itself, which fits right up inside of the unit. Inside of this box will be your accessories that go with it. So let's open that up. Okay. And with it comes, of course, everything you need. Everything you will need to hook it up. It's a real easy, simple installation. It's going to show you directions. It's also going to have, here, let me show you this, what comes with it. So this is the date. So you want to put your date on it when you install it. This is the size. So what this is going to help you do is make sure it fits properly underneath your sink. So you've got this nice, you can put this up against the wall, drill your holes, and then it'll fit perfectly. Okay, so that's convenient. And then here's some installation steps that you can go to the QR code, and it's going to help you do the installation to your faucet. Very, very simple, very easy to use, and easy to understand. Lots of pictures in here, and step-by-step instructions. Comes with everything you need, the Teflon tape, along with all of the fittings that are necessary in order to get your water filter hooked up, along with these two lines that come with it. So there'll be an in and an out on each side that come with it. And again, two more QR codes right there on the front to help you install it. It's a good quality, 22,000 gallons it'll run through, and it's a very high efficiency Ice Pure under the sink water filtration system.